Hello everybody. Welcome to the stream if you're joining. Okay. 1 minute, just a little minute. Okay. Alright. Okay, what is up everybody? Welcome to this stream. Okay. We are gonna be coding, doing some coding stuff. Not really sure what you guys, what you want me to code, but we can start doing that. If you want to learn how to do something live, I can walk you guys through that. It's really up to you. So we are gonna try to figure this out. So, for now, let's explore some sprites and see what I can do. What can I come up with? So for anyone who's here, pretty much we're just hanging out, coding. If you want me to code something for you, teach you how to do something live, I will be more than happy to. So, okay, for now, I'm just exploring some sprites because I need to, I need to see, what game can I make? There's like an infinite amount of sprites here, so the possibilities are endless. I'm going to use, okay, how about, I need something animated, like perhaps a human, an animal. How about Pico? Everyone likes Pico. So I actually made a game with Pico, like a long time ago. Pico's Adventure. I don't remember if it was on this account or on another account, but I remember it. Pico's Adventure. Come on, it was one of the more popular ones too. What if I'm like, it might have been on my old account. Let's see. Dog's barking in the background. Come on, where is it? It has to be here. Somewhere. Maybe I'm just gonna keep on scrolling and then search for my name. Keep going, keep going. Don't stop. Super. Okay. So nothing yet. Okay, what if I keep going? Keep going, keep going. Maybe it's unshared. That's okay. Let's get back into the coding part of it. So, what if I'm like 20? No, not 256. We're gonna say 50. There we go. A nice and little Pico. And what if I'm like, so I'm gonna create maybe like a platformer type level with Pico. So I'm gonna do like, let's get the right color going. I don't know. Maybe some dirt. We could do a little dirt. Or what if I'm gonna do my classic. We're gonna do dirt and then grass on top. And then, geez, that is a lot of outline, but okay. So we have this here. Now, let's get some actual physics into here, because we need to be physicsing. So if I'm like, I'm just gonna fill this in too. So now I'm gonna, okay, let's get Pico moving. First things first. So I'm gonna create our gravity variable, and this is what we are gonna use. So I'm gonna say when flag is clicked, and okay, I'm gonna set gravity to 0, and then we're gonna say, okay, so we could say forever. Now let's change gravity by -1. We're going to change gravity by -1. And we could say, we'll say, I'm going to put that at the bottom too. And we're going to change our y by gravity. Y by gravity. And we're going to say if, we're going to say if touching. We'll say like if touching grass, the grass color. We'll set gravity to 0, and we'll be like, inside of this we can say if, key, I'm gonna say up arrow for now. Up arrow. Okay, so we can say if key up arrow is pressed. Inside of this we can say if. So if key up arrow is pressed, we will set gravity to like, let's see. Set gravity to, we'll do 11. Ta-da! Okay, but our guy Pico keeps falling down, so what we need to do is instead of always changing it by -1, let's do if and then else. We'll say, okay, else we'll change gravity by -1. So obviously we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna, okay, there we go. Not too bad if you ask me. Why don't we go ahead and say when flag is clicked, and we'll do forever. Actually, let's create a new variable, and we'll call it, I'm gonna call it x for now. And we'll say, okay, when flag is clicked, forever if, why don't we say if key right arrow is pressed. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna set gravity, or not gravity, we're gonna set x to like 7, and we can say if, left arrow, we'll set it to -7, and then down here we'll say change x by x, and then we can say set x, and we'll say set x to x times 0.8. And now, there we go, we got some smooth controls going. Love it. Okay, so this is a problem though, because we cannot go up. So what we would need to do is we're gonna need to do this. We're gonna say, slope up. Okay. Repeat until, and maybe not touching, and we'll get the grass color there. So, okay. We'll change x by change y by 1. Okay, so something is breaking our game. Something about this is breaking our game. So maybe it's because we have a forever loop in there. So what if we say forever, and we'll just slope up, and we'll be like, oh, it's probably because forever. Okay, there we go. Okay, well, that's not good. Let's go back. We're gonna do this. So our problem now lies with slope collision here. So we're gonna need to make these two work together. So what we could do is we could say, you know, change y by 1. I don't know, man. Let's see if this works. Yeah, I did not think it was gonna. So... Okay. I got it. I sort of got it to work. What's going on now? The problem now is that these two physics aren't wanting to physics together. Because boom, that works perfectly. But since we're always changing our y by 1 on this, and we're always changing our y by gravity, they don't know what to do. So it's like freaking out. And so here it works, you know, we can go up just fine. But because technically, yeah, we aren't actually touching the green anymore. So it wants to just, boom, go down. So now what we need to do is figure out a way around that. We could... I don't know. What if we say, instead of changing y by 1, what if we set gravity to 1? Set gravity to 1. Let's see what that can do for us. That can break our game, apparently. I think the problem now is that because we're always... because it wants us to go up, but then it wants to change our gravity by -1. So it's sort of constantly going back and forth, which is not good. The best thing for us to do is start fresh, guys. Not quit, but start fresh. But nobody's in this stream right now. I think that'll be the end of it for now. Maybe I can try again later, just in case.